Hey everyone, welcome to Arafat English Journey channel. Today I'm gonna talk about our so-called education system. So this is my day 9 and I am continuously create my video and try to consistence my English journey. So if you want, just try and let's get start your journey. Just started our topic. Actually, I've just completed my secondary higher education and now I'm feeling something different. Like now I'm preparing my university exam, so in this time I feel that everything it's like not useless, right? Everything useless, our examination, everything useless, our syllabus, routine, everything, right? And our education system, it's like old version. You believe or not, as a Bangladeshi, I think you believe it, but just education not doing great for your life, because when you just focus on your education and in this present world, everything is a technical AI. It's so much features, and if you don't know how to use AI or what's the process, and a lots of technology available. But today I saw a video and here saw a letter. There's in our Bangladeshi letter they write like it's not correction, it's a old version. Now they're so busy, they don't know how to change and where we change. They don't know how we can provide more better education. I know our country's education 1 to 12, that's gonna be 1 to 10, it's gonna be boring, so boring. Their practical education don't provide. One or two private or private school or college provide that type of proper education, like foreign education related topic, or their education system are different. But our government college, even some private college like Blaze site, that's gonna be old, and their education just memorizing. Every day we are facing, and I think I am now 19. I'm decided not to focus only education. Most of the time we focused only build up my skills. If you now in class 1 to 10 or 12 or 11, doesn't matter, you just try to maintain your goal and build up your skills. Bye bye, goodbye.